Hello, my name is Isabella Lopez, and I'll be doing a presentation on the question, are zoos ethical or not? Firstly, to define our terms, in terms of ethical, we mean the degree of morality, so that can be very different based on a different person's point of view. On the topic of detailing the issue, it's very difficult to finite whether or not it's actually ethical, just because it varies from person to person depending on their point of view of why zoos are ethical. We can think of the argument of a person considering them not ethical because you're taking an animal from its own environment and its own habitat in the wild and putting it in a small cage or a small beat down habitat. Of course, not all zoos do their best to manage the animals' habitats and give the proper care to the animals and what they need. So maintenance plays a huge role on whether or not the zoo is actually beneficial for the animal or not. Now, the other argument might differ in the sense that their argument might sound something like zoos help save endangered animals all around the world. They do this by keeping the population of a species in a safe environment, protecting many different species from becoming extinct due to overpopulation, the food chain, poaching, climate change, pollution, etc. Zoos also educate the public on topics such as climate change or animal endangerment or poaching. And they also contribute to scientific research, educating the public on animals themselves, their habitat, and their conservation. Now, in regards to who's involved, many people are involved. We have the people who actually capture the animals from the wild and bring them to a safer environment in the zoos. We also have two-sided arguments of zoos aren't ethical and zoos are ethical. We can't forget that people that go to zoos all over the world are also involved. We should care about this topic because this has been a controversial, debatable topic since the 1800s. A couple organizations that I can think of at the top of my head after doing extensive research that has benefited zoos and helped them financially to keep the animal enclosures and habitats properly maintained and taken care for are the Wildlife Conservation Society, the International Fund for Animal Habitats, the World Society of the Protection of Animals, and the Animal Welfare Institute. Personally, this has been a very controversial topic for myself, as for a long time I saw zoos as a way of entertainment, but at the same time, thank you for watching my presentation. My name is Isabella Lopez, and my topic was, are zoos ethical? Okay, no. It's very complex. Complex? Species from becoming extinct, right? Can I pronounce words? Due to overpopulation, the food change. No, Dixie! There's a lot of people involved. There's people that what? It's been a controversial topic since the 1980s. 1980s, the 1880s. Overall, I hope I've swayed your opinion a little bit. Thank you. My name is Isabella Lopez.